Today I'm sharing with you 7 days, 7 outfits video. For my Monday look, I decided to go full monochromatic. I simply adore creamy tones in autumn, so for that reason I went after these really beautiful and elegant Zara trousers. I really love that high waist, it adds such an elegant feel to the look. Then I went after these ballet flats from H&M. On a warmer autumn days I would still wear ballet flats, but preferably I would also have some skin tone ties underneath them. Then on top I went after this really beautiful off-white sweater from H&M. I simply adore this piece because it is so elegant. I adore that beautiful neckline. As you can see, this sweater is crop sweater, but regardless I still decided to do just a slight front tuck. And to finish the look, I went after this trench coat also from H&M and this old mango purse. And this would be my Monday look. I simply adore this look because it is so gorgeous, so elegant yet comfortable. You're still going to feel really put together, smart and chic. I really love all of these monochromatic pieces when being styled together. And this is definitely one of my favorite ways how to style for autumn. So for that reason, I decided to start a Monday with these really beautiful creamy tones. For Tuesday, I went after these ankle-cut black leather trousers from Zara. These trousers are so comfortable and I simply adore to wear them in autumn season. I matched them with these black loafers also from Zara, and I simply adore to style these two together simply because they're always such a perfect match. Then on top I went after this really old blouse that I have from H&M that has this really beautiful and elegant neckline. Then I decided to pop on this belt. The reason why I did this belt is simply because I love how that golden buckle on the belt matches the golden buckle detail on the loafers. And I finished the look by adding this really old and tanned coat that I have for so many years now from Zara, and that would be the look. I really love how this and there goes my cat. I really love how this tanned coat looks so nice and how it's popping when it's being styled over something that is black from head to toe. And yeah, I also added this black bag, and a look like this is going to serve you perfectly for any work day. It doesn't have to be Tuesday, but yeah, I simply adore it. In case you live somewhere where it's colder for loafers, what you can do is, instead of socks, that is really trendy way to style your loafers now, you can actually wear black ties, and something like that is just going to look absolutely amazing nevertheless. My Wednesday look is not so much different from a Tuesday look because I'm also wearing black trousers, except these are a little bit more elegant trousers. They're also from Zara and I really adore this side slit on them. So for that reason, simply because they are a little bit more elegant, I decided to went after these black heels. On top, I went after this really beautiful blouse that has this really gorgeous neckline. This blouse is from H&M and I simply adore how it opens neckline and just provides entire outfit with a dose of elegance. To finish the look, I went after this Zara blazer. I simply adore this blazer. It's just such an amazing piece that is able to elevate the simplest of the looks. And also popped on this Zara purse, and this would be the look for Wednesday. It is again very simple look, yet really elegant and elevated, simply because I am wearing high heels, but nevertheless it is very simple look, and yeah, you can see just how easily it is to elevate your look. If you're wearing everything monochromatic, you just pop on either a blazer or coat in some different tone and your look is can appear so much more smarter and more put together and just better in general. And yeah, I simply adore how this look turned out to be. For my Thursday look, I wanted to wear something a little bit more comfortable. So for that reason, I'm wearing these really beautiful H&M trousers. They're so elegant and I just adore them. But I decided to go after a little bit more like casual but yet also smart look. So I went after these Adidas sneakers simply to provide me with a dose of comfort. And on top I went after this really beautiful cardigan that I have from H&M. It comes in this really beautiful white tone with those beautiful sequin buttons. I also decided to do a slight front tuck and that's pretty much it. Then I went after this creamy H&M coat and this old mango purse, and this is the look. I simply adore how this all looks together. This is such a comfortable yet in a way a little bit cute look, simply because it is that cardigan that adds the cuteness to this look, and also my cat that is passing by. This is such a beautiful comfortable look that you can easily wear for autumn days. You don't have to wear exactly same pieces in order to create a look like this, but yeah, I simply adore to style in monochromatic way during autumn season. I believe it is so chic to be dressed in these beautiful tanned and earthen and creamy tones, and I simply adore them. For my Friday look, I decided to wear something that can be worn as workwear, but that can serve as a night out look as well. So for that reason, I went after this black lily silk dress that I simply adore. And then I went after these kitten heel knee-high boots. These are suede boots that I have from my mother actually, and I simply adore them. They're just such a beautiful and elegant piece, and I simply adore how this dress looks when being styled with these black suede boots. Then on top I went after this black sweater from H&M with this beautiful turtleneck. There are two options how you can wear this sweater. First, you can wear it like this, like it can just fall down loosely over the dress, but you can also cinch a waist. So for that reason I went after the same belt from previous example, and this is the look. I simply adore this one simply because it is definitely workwear appropriate, but nevertheless you can wear something like this for a night out. And I popped on these black sunglasses and this purse, and this is the look. I do have to say I'm not really fan how these sunglasses look on me when my hair is tied in a low pony, but oh well, I'll know better for next time. Anyway, for Friday I simply wanted to show you how you can style for work a look that can also serve you as a night out outfit. So yeah, I hope you like it. It is finally Saturday, a day for a night out, so for that reason I went after this black skirt from Zara. I do have to say that Zara always have some really beautiful skirt pieces out there. On top I went after this brown shirt from H&M. The way how I styled the shirt is simply by letting it fall down loosely. I didn't want to do any front tuck, side tuck or anything similar, simply because I simply adore how it looks when it's just being dressed this way. When it comes to my boots, I'm wearing these brown boots from Mango, and I simply adore these boots. They're just so amazing, and I bought them actually like 2 years ago, and I'm so happy because brown is such a dominant tone now for autumn season, and yeah, I'm so happy that I bought them in the first place. On top I went after this oversized black blazer, and here is the look. As I'm someone who really loves to wear mini skirts, I'm really happy that I have this skirt from Zara, simply because, you know, you always feel a little bit more secure when it's a skirt. So yeah, I really love how this look turned out to be. It is such a cool, trendy sort of a look, absolutely night out appropriate. Of course, if you want, you can also pop on a pair of black ties, but yeah, that is optional. Nevertheless, this look has all of those cool girl vibes, and yeah, I also popped my Yves Saint Laurent purse, and yeah, this is the look. I simply adore it. my Sunday look, I decided to go after something totally comfortable. So for that reason, I styled these high-waisted wide-leg trousers that come in this really beautiful light denim tone. On top, I went after this really beautiful striped blouse, also from H&M. I simply did a front tuck. For a dose of comfort, I went after my favorite Adidas sneakers at the moment. And to finish the look, I went after this all coat from Zara that I have for a few years now. It comes in this really beautiful ecru tone or like creamy tone, and I just adore how it looks when being styled in this full casual look. This look is perfect for Sunday if you're going to take your dog for a walk, or even if you're going to get some groceries or anything similar. But yeah, it's just a chic and comfortable look for autumn day. And yeah, these will be all of the looks that I prepared for you today. Please let me know down below which look of these 7 you like the most. And yeah, until next time, thanks all for watching. Have a nice autumn styling, and I see you all on Wednesday. Bye bye!